Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it, as it helps the channel grow. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Our Life's Purpose. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. May 28, 2022, 9:59 p.m. We are here to raise the consciousness of the planet to a higher vibration from the fourth where we are now. We are from various stars, volunteers who accepted and agree to experience separation and forgetting. After being DNA manipulated and exploited for eons by darkness, we started to remember and realize who we really are, powerful divine beings. We live our lives fully, enjoy, and ultimately learn, exemplify unconditional love, the only solution to the ills of the world, the recurrent darkness we call wars, slavery, killings, greed, and desire to accumulate wealth beyond any human need. USA two-time Medal of Honor recipient Major General Smedley Butler is outspoken critic of American wars and their consequences. In 1935, Butler wrote a book titled War is a Racket, where he describes and criticizes the workings of the United States and its foreign actions and wars, such as those in which he had been involved, including large American corporations and other imperialist motivations behind U.S. wars. Wikipedia, he was at the Philippines, China, Central America. As a Marine fighting wars, but Eisenhower and MacArthur are popular with U.S. leaders and deep state. This global experiences continue as Group of Five produces war machines and sell them for profit. At this point of our evolution, we have attained human collective consciousness, raise Mother Earth's vibration. Connect with your intuition and higher selves and learn to access powers and information you have within as we realize oneness and unity consciousness. Accept and know that everything you want is within you. Humanity has tested many kinds and types of governments, religious and financial controls, if not every variation humans can think of, to solve the miseries of each individual living in a sovereign nation or aggregation of beings. But darkness, the deep state, survived, controlled our freedom and enslaved us through puppets for eons. The dark, cabal archons we know as the deep state has ways of controlling humans and feed on our energy in various ways they can think of, essentially polarizing our actions with duality and separation from the divine mind, source. Joyful life with freedom has been curtailed by dark authorities by setting control mechanisms inclusive of dualistic laws. We hardly escape forgetting we call amnesia. With fear, they feed on us as we sleep, making us feel fatigue and tired as we wake up. These monsters take our freedom, which is expressed through various senses and through thought. Unless you realize who you are, where they can no longer attack us. The moment you realize you are a part of light, an expression, fractal of source, no darkness can attack you as you are light and the divine powers are within you. Your words of light throws them out. Manipulators curtail freedom, our freedom in all aspects of our illusionary life, and that includes how we speak, act and create our desires. The experiences programmed to live in joy and happiness on earth have been controlled at the cellular level, curtailed till now, as God is overflowing us with intense light energy, cleansing accumulated false beliefs, crime and dirt within. We are getting cleansed by God's light energies. What then are the requisites required of real illumination and enlightenment? The truth is being aware, that is acute focus and awareness moment to moment on what we think and do. This can happen the time we experience on a consistent way silence, meditation, grounding, and time with nature, in which cases we go within ourselves. Feel the merger of mind, body and soul with divine mind. I re-emphasize again that we should think, live, and make our hearts the center of our being, where we feel, see first through our hearts and follow our heart's direction. Thence we attain the powerhouse of everything. We get all the things we want from within as we get connected with source, all that is. Knowing we are fractal of source, we get illuminated and truly enlightened. As we meditate, attain stillness, silence and solitude, we get the connection we desire with source. We realize that it all starts within before it manifests without, the reality we call it our state of consciousness. That is how it happens, and the moment you realize who you are, you begin to understand the realities of the collective consciousness of humanity, where you really belong. That is the divine plan. Your divine consciousness on earth is a state of mind, and you feel it moment by moment as you live in the now. That is the real meaning of realization of who we really are. We are divine beings. Humanity has been deprived to live with the freedom we originally have. Live life, enjoy appropriately by being hydrated, stay healthy, grounded, and live at the present moment in unity with one another. We are here to protect the planet from human destruction in our own little ways of living, and this routine raises the consciousness of Mother Earth with unconditional love, our bar and shield as we live our lives. Love and light, Angel v. ORNEDO Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at C/me and organize corporations creating jobs, share knowledge as faculty or officer at universities, boards and associations. Angel is MBA, CPA, AE, link at ornedojr@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Sleep Reese and Amazon.com.